50 sentences using the word amidst.
Amidst the chaos of the city, she found a moment of peace in the park.
The musician played his guitar amidst the crowd.
She smiled amidst the challenges and kept moving forward.
Amidst the storm, the lighthouse provided a guiding light.
The flowers bloomed beautifully amidst the green foliage.
He discovered a hidden treasure amidst the old books.
Amidst the laughter and chatter, their eyes met.
The ship sailed bravely amidst the turbulent waves.
She found her voice amidst the silence of the forest.
Amidst the ruins, archaeologists uncovered ancient artifacts.
He felt a sense of belonging amidst the close-knit community.
The stars shone brightly amidst the dark night sky.
Amidst the uncertainty, he remained confident in his decision.
The delicate fragrance of roses filled the garden amidst the roses.
She discovered a sense of purpose amidst her travels.
Amidst the noise of the city, he heard a faint melody.
The athlete pushed through the pain amidst the race.
Amidst the applause, the actor took a bow.
The company achieved success amidst tough competition.
She found solace amidst the pages of her favorite book.
Amidst the hustle and bustle, he found a quiet cafe to work.
The stars sparkled amidst the vastness of the universe.
Amidst the challenges, they built a strong partnership.
He uncovered a rare fossil amidst the rocks.
Amidst the confusion, the teacher provided clarity.
The city thrived amidst economic growth.
Amidst the heat, they sought shade under a tree.
She discovered inner strength amidst adversity.
Amidst the mountains, they felt truly free.
The fragrance of coffee wafted amidst the morning air.
Amidst the rivalry, they found mutual respect.
He revealed his true feelings amidst a heartfelt conversation.
Amidst the darkness, a single candle flickered.
The orchestra played amidst the grandeur of the concert hall.
She found her passion amidst her diverse interests.
Amidst the competition, they stood out as winners.
The old castle stood tall amidst the rolling hills.
Amidst the festivities, they exchanged wedding vows.
He uncovered a long-lost letter amidst the dusty attic.
Amidst the serenity of the lake, they went fishing.
She found her purpose amidst the call of the wild.
Amidst the applause, they accepted their diplomas.
The laughter echoed amidst the family gathering.
Amidst the wilderness, they set up their campsite.
The musician played a beautiful melody amidst the setting sun.
Amidst the tears, they shared a heartfelt moment.
He found inspiration amidst the vibrant street art.
Amidst the cheers, the team celebrated their victory.
She found tranquility amidst the lapping waves of the ocean.
Amidst the seasons, the trees changed their colors.
If you want more, subscribe. See my other movies.